Gentlemen, if you have passed the age of 60 and have started to feel that something is not quite right with your energy or your performance, especially in the area down there, sensations such as firmness, no longer being reliable, weakness, or slower response that you may casually dismiss as normal aging are in fact urgent warning signals from your body. What begins as subtle cramping or a lack of vitality can point to a deeper issue. Your circulatory system is under strain, and when blood flow is compromised, everything from vitality to a man's confidence pays a serious price. Listen carefully to this. I am Julia, your trusted men's health advisor. Today, I will reveal 3 powerful foods supported by science that can rapidly increase blood flow where it matters most. One of these foods can produce noticeable changes in just a few days. Stronger response, fewer cramps, and renewed vitality. These are not exotic superfoods. They are affordable, easy to access, and may already be in your kitchen. If you truly care about your health, stay with me. Before we begin, please tap the like button. Leave a comment letting me know where you are watching from. I truly enjoy seeing this community grow. And subscribe so you do not miss important health information designed specifically for men over 60. Now let me share what you need to know. Garlic, the restorative food. It is often overlooked. Yet garlic holds one of the most powerful keys to restoring what many men quietly fear they are losing: performance and energy in the most personal area of life. Garlic is not just a food. It is a circulation tool supported by science. Everything about garlic supports strong blood flow to the lower body. For men over 60, these changes can make the difference between frustration and proper function. By this age, blood vessels are less flexible. The body produces less nitric oxide, a natural chemical that keeps arteries open and allows blood to move freely. That is why I call garlic nature's blood flow activator. It does not mask the problem. It helps repair it from the inside out. While medication may target a single pathway, garlic supports multiple pathways at once: arterial health, inflammation control, and nitric oxide production, all working together to give the body the tools it needs to deliver blood where it is required. I have seen this firsthand. Men in my clinic who begin incorporating fresh garlic into their daily routine report noticeable changes in how their bodies respond: more energy, better endurance, and improved performance in the most personal areas of life. Let us break this down clearly. The power of garlic begins with allicin, a potent natural compound formed when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. But allicin does not work alone. Once in the body, it helps stimulate the production of hydrogen sulfide, a gas the body uses to signal blood vessels to open. This process does 3 critical things. First, it widens the arteries, improving blood delivery to vital areas such as the heart, legs, and the lower body. Second, it helps reduce plaque buildup, allowing blood to flow more freely. Third, it supports healthy blood pressure without pushing the system too hard or too fast. The result is something you can feel: better endurance, improved clarity, and a body that feels more alive. So how do you actually use garlic in a way that works for you? Consume 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic per day. Chew them directly or crush them, and mix with a small amount of honey if the flavor is too strong. After crushing the garlic, let it sit for 10 minutes before consuming. This allows the allicin to fully activate. The key is consistency. Garlic is not a one-time miracle. It strengthens your circulation day by day. Stay consistent, and within a few weeks, you will notice improved energy levels. Stay with me, because the next benefits are just as important. The next food. Citrus fruits provide targeted support for circulation through a combination of vitamin C, flavonoids, and powerful bioactive compounds. However, while many men load up on protein powders or testosterone boosters, they are missing one of the simplest tools for better blood flow. The truth is that simply adding one serving of citrus to your daily routine can make a meaningful difference. Whether it is a fresh orange in the morning or a glass of lemon water at lunch, this can have a real impact on your circulation, especially down there. Let us talk about why this works so well. Men over 60 commonly face two underlying issues that slow everything down: oxidative stress and arterial stiffness. These are silent saboteurs. They weaken your blood vessels, restrict blood flow, and reduce performance and endurance. This is where citrus comes in. Vitamin C, found in high amounts in citrus fruits, helps rebuild the structure of your blood vessels by supporting collagen production. It keeps vessel walls strong and flexible so blood can move more freely. Let us take this one step further. Each citrus fruit contains a unique mix of circulation-friendly nutrients. Vitamin C protects your blood vessels from oxidative damage and supports the production of collagen and elastin, the flexible proteins your arteries depend on. Flavonoids, including flavonones and anthocyanins, reduce inflammation, help blood vessels dilate more easily, and increase the nitric oxide your body produces. Natural sugars provide quick, usable energy without a crash. Fiber in citrus helps regulate blood sugar, which is critical for maintaining strong circulation over time. You do not need to complicate this. You just need consistency. Start your morning with a small glass of real orange juice. Not shelf-stable products, but freshly squeezed or chilled juice with no added sugar. Then keep a water bottle nearby with a few lemon slices. This alone supplies vitamin C and citrus flavonoids to your system throughout the day. In this way, these nutrients are always available, and you are continuously supporting blood flow where it matters most. Aim for at least one solid serving per day. This could be a glass of orange juice, half a grapefruit, or a squeeze of lemon with a meal. Expect subtle changes. More energy and less coldness in your fingers and toes often appear around 4 to 6 weeks. For stronger circulation and performance, maintain consistency for 2 to 3 months. This is a long-term strategy. Think of citrus as fuel, not a spark. It nourishes your vessel walls, supports elasticity, and restores function from the inside out. Perfection is not required. Consistency, showing up for your body every day with small intentional steps like this, is what creates lasting change. Pause for a moment. If this information is new to you, tap the like button. Next, we will address the most common question. You may be wondering how to actually incorporate these foods into your daily meals. That is a good question. Most men grew up believing that a large, juicy steak was the key to strength and masculinity. Modern cardiovascular science tells a very different story. This is especially important if you are over 60 and noticing changes in energy, circulation, or bedroom confidence. The truth is that when it comes to blood flow down there, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are far more powerful than red meat. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and what they do inside your body is remarkable. They help restore healthy blood flow, support erectile function, and reduce the silent inflammation that drains energy, endurance, and performance. And yes, they are well known for supporting brain health. But what most people do not realize is that omega-3 fats, especially EPA and DHA, are also essential for vascular health. These compounds repair the lining of blood vessels, make arteries more flexible, and support nitric oxide production, which is critical for allowing blood to flow freely throughout the body, including the areas that matter most to you. These are not just surface-level benefits. They reach deep into your cardiovascular system and target the exact issues that cause men over 60 to experience cold hands and feet, low energy, slower healing, or difficulty with sexual function. Omega-3 fatty acids and fatty fish help your blood carry oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. They also reduce the heavy inflammatory burden in your body and help restore the natural vitality you may feel has been fading. Aim to eat fatty fish 3 times per week, such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are nutrients your body truly knows how to use. Natural healing versus pharmaceuticals. Most prescription options focus on a single pathway. They block or stimulate one chemical. They may work for a period of time, but they often come with side effects and they do not correct the underlying problem. Fatty fish work differently. Omega-3 fatty acids support multiple critical functions at the same time. They reduce inflammation and help clear blood flow. They naturally repair and strengthen your blood vessels, improving performance. They protect your heart and support healthy circulation from head to toe. They also provide clean, high-quality protein to help preserve muscle strength. This is a whole-body solution, and it works without forcing your system out of balance. It helps your body restore itself. You may think it is too late to make a difference. That is not true. Your body still knows how to heal. The strength is still there. It simply needs the right materials. Every time you choose wild salmon instead of processed meat, or grilled mackerel instead of a frozen dinner, you are sending your body a clear message. I am giving you what you need. You do not need an extreme diet. You need consistency. A few small decisions repeated each week can restore your energy, improve blood flow, and yes, enhance performance where it matters most. What you need is a starting point. That is exactly what this 7-day plan provides. It is simple. Start with garlic. Crush 1 large clove of garlic. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Allowing the garlic to rest before eating activates its key compounds. This is what helps relax and open your blood vessels. Then mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey and consume it with breakfast. If that is not your style, finely chop the garlic and add it to scrambled eggs, or spread it on whole grain toast with butter. Doing this in the morning allows your body to absorb it more effectively when stomach acid is strongest. Combining it with honey softens the taste and gives you a small energy boost to start the day. For your midday meal, include fatty fish. This may mean thawing frozen salmon, seasoning fresh mackerel, or simply opening a can of sardines for lunch. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish improve arterial flexibility and reduce inflammation. That translates into better blood flow, stronger cardiovascular health, and improved function down there. Aim for at least 3 to 4 servings per week to notice a meaningful difference. In the afternoon, when energy often dips, reach for something bright. Half a grapefruit, an orange, or even a tall glass of lemon water. To make this easier, slice your citrus fruits in advance and store them in the refrigerator so they are ready to grab. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids that strengthen blood vessels and support nitric oxide production. These foods do remarkable work on their own, but when you combine them with small, intentional daily habits, the results multiply. Many men choose to live with weakness and accept it as an inevitable part of aging. But you are different, because you are here and you now have access to practical medical knowledge. Do not let chemical pills control your life. Allow natural foods to do the work of healing and restoring your performance. I want you to understand that this 7-day action plan is a doorway. Once you walk through it, you begin supplying your body with the nutrients and habits it has been missing for years. I am Julia Hart. I wish you a strong return to peak performance, and I look forward to seeing you in the next discussion. Thank you for watching.